Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to empty the dust bin on your DREAME X30 Ultra. Of course, you can automatically do that in the app, so it automatically empties it into the dust bag, but also you can manually do that, so I'll show you both options. In the app, you can do it by, it does that automatically if it's set in the settings. It does that automatically after finishing cleaning, but you can also do it by clicking Dock Task, then selecting Empty, and it'll start emptying it into the dust bag located here. But if you'd like to empty it manually and also maybe clean the filter, you can take the robot out of the charging station, then open the lid, and you will find a dustbin right here. Hold on, I'll pause the robot. Okay. As you can see right here, there is the dustbin. I can squeeze it like so to take it out. Now to empty the dust out of it, use this notch right here to open it. Now you can empty it. Then you can also take the filter out by opening the door here. Remember, if you're cleaning the filter with water, let it dry for at least 24 hours before you put it back in to prevent mold. Now, to put it into the robot, just put it until it clicks, close the lid, and you can put the robot back in its charging station. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.